Gentlemen, ladies, and anyone in between, I welcome you all, and in today's video I want to take a minute and go over just how easy it is to enter for a chance to win this brand spanking new Shimano SLX, and in addition to that, I want to go over the specifics on what makes this reel special in comparison to every other SLX that's out on the market right now. Now, in order to enter for a chance to win, all you have to do is follow me on my Instagram. It's instagram.com/tackleadvisors. And since J&H Tackle is the one that supplied this reel, you have to follow them as well. They can be found at instagram.com/J&H Tackle. That's it. We're going to announce the winner on September 21st, and it's about as easy as you could possibly get in terms of entering a giveaway. Now, what makes this reel special? If you watched my unboxing, teardown, and overview video, you found that one of the knobs was flawless, the other one had a little bit of slop. So basically, I reshimmed them, added a ball bearing in each knob. Now they're a little bit smoother, and there's no slop. So that's, whether or not you think that's a big improvement or not, I figured I'd pay attention to every little detail I could in this reel before I boxed it up and gave it away. On top of that, I took the spool, polished the shafts, polished it here, Anywhere there could be any friction interface has been polished. The drag surface on the main gear and on the base of the compression top disc have been mirror polished. In addition to that, I also mirror polished the teeth on the main gear and the pinion. In addition to that, I've reached out to Carbon Tex, and this reel has a single felt washer, and the world's gravitating towards carbon fiber, so I figure why not. So even though it's not listed on their website, I sent the measurements, and I'm sure I'll hear back in the next day or so, and they'll be shipping me an upgrade Carbon Tex washer for the new SLX. And in addition to that, a new little trick that I've been kind of doing on all the reels that have this drag starter design, I use my custom lube and put it in that cavity, in that well, and it kind of makes it more or less like a double pane glass Mercedes, like a 1996 Mercedes S-Class compared to like a 96 Chevy Lumina. It kind of dulls out the sound, but you still get that nice detent feel. It's my preference. It's kind of cool. And in addition to that, when I do reassemble the reel, I'll be greasing it with my custom concoction of lube, and also throw in the box a little bit of extra for the next time your reel needs surface. This stuff, been using it now for about 9 months, and you guys have been asking me off the chain, can I do like a maintenance instructional, like general maintenance? And I've been wanting to, but I just didn't have enough time with this stuff to see how it lasted over the course of his season. And now I'm ready. And this stuff is better than anything else I've ever used. It's leaps and bounds better than the pen grease. And it's the only grease that I've found that, you have a geary reel or a kind of a raspy reel, and you grease it and it goes away for like a second. But by the time you get it off the bench, it's back again. This is for the DIY guys that tweak and tune their reels and do the maintenance. You guys will know what I'm talking about. This stuff, it's almost permanent. It's weird. So I'll send a little bit of that along with it, and some bearing oil. That's kind of also a custom concoction. And I'll also be purging and lubing the bearings, so this thing is going to be about as hot as you can possibly get for a Shimano SLX. And with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys sign up for the giveaway. And yeah, guys, I read all your comments. I know you met me and found me on YouTube. The whole Instagram thing, I get it. Not everybody has it. But when you do giveaways with other people, I'm not going to argue with Josh. He said, let's do it on Instagram. I'm fine with it. I do apologize for you guys out there that can't have an opportunity to win this for simply not having an Instagram account. And I'm with you on the whole social media thing. And I think in 5 years, I've posted 10 times on my personal Facebook. I spend time elsewhere. So I'll see if I can find another way to make it up to you guys who aren't on my Instagram or don't have Instagram to begin with, or are just fed up with social media, and which a lot of us, I bet, are. And it's with that being said, you guys know it already. I wouldn't be here without you guys. I appreciate every second of every minute that you guys spend here. I wouldn't have an opportunity to give away this reel because a big shop like J&H Tackle wouldn't know who I was. So they wouldn't have submitted this reel. So again, this is all on you guys. I greatly appreciate all the time you guys spend here. And until next time, guys, tight lines, and I'll see you soon.